Hello my YouTube friends, it's me, your old buddy Magnum, and welcome to the Magnum Videos Tuesday Food and Cooking Show. Today we're going to cook something really easy, really quick, and somewhat healthy. So let's head into the kitchen and get this show on the road. Alright, today, as I mentioned, we're going to do something very easy and pretty quick. All we need is some bread, some cheese, some ham, some butter, and a little bit of mayonnaise. So, let's begin. First of all, let's put a little bit of butter on our griddle and get that started to melt. Well, we need to turn on the right burner. That would help. Duh. Okay. I'm going to start out with a little bit of mayonnaise. Not a lot, just enough to give it a little bit of the old mayonnaise flavor. Okay, so we'll put that there. And a little bit on this one. I think we're through with the butter at this point. Alright, next a little slice of American cheese. And I have taken this out of the refrigerator so that it's warmed up a little bit and gotten softer, so it won't take so long to melt. I'm kind of all thumbs here today. Spread this butter out a little bit. You know, when I was a kid, I used to butter the bread and lay that down in the skillet, and that was kind of a delicate operation because you could end up with butter all over your hands. It's much easier to do it this way. Alright, so we just got some thin sliced ham. We're going to put that in the middle of the bread here, on top of the cheese, like so. We put the top on, and turn this up a little bit. Get this butter nice and warm in here. And I'm just going to let this run because that'll show you how long it takes to make one of these. And it doesn't take long. I'm turning this up to about 7. I'll let that melt a bit while I get a spatula. Stay right there. Spatula. Got it. Okay. Alright, we will put this on the griddle. And we'll put this one on the griddle. And actually I'm not going to let this run because it's going to be a couple of minutes of boring watch time. I'm sure that you're probably not interested in seeing this happen, but I'll come back in a minute just about when it's done. Actually, I'm coming back before it's done because I wanted to show you something else. This is about the last of our garden tomatoes that we grew this year, and we're going to be missing those this winter. So I'm just going to slice this one, and we can just have those on the side along with our grilled ham and cheese sandwiches. The tomato skins were pretty tough this year for some reason. I don't know why, but this is a really good knife, and it usually slices right through, but they were kind of tough this year. Okay, they're getting a nice golden brown, so it won't be long now. Oh, look at that. Just about done, so be patient. We're just about ready to eat. Alright, there it is. Looks pretty good to me. I'm going to take this over to the table and we're going to try it and see how it tastes. So stick around and I'll meet you at the table. And we are ready. I have added a little salt and pepper to the cottage cheese and the tomatoes, and I'm going to give the grilled ham and cheese a try. Mighty tasty. I think the mayonnaise on the bread adds a lot of flavor to it. So I think maybe my friend Don over at Trees A Blowin' might be able to eat one of these meals. I think it's pretty low fat.
Low fat. Low fat. Low fat. Low fat.
I think it's a good meal for people that might be on a diet. I don't think there's a lot of calories here. It's very tasty, and I don't know what you guys are going to do, but I'm going to eat the rest of this and then go edit this video, which obviously I've already done if you're watching it and listening to me now, but that's what's in my future. So until I speak with you again, and even after that, you stay focused.